Hello and welcome to the Practical Guide to Strategic Legal Spend Management Initiatives. Today we'll talk about the concept of legal spend under management. My name is Sylvia Hodges-Sillerstein. I'm talking with our expert, Peter Eilhauer. Peter, thank you for taking a moment to talk about this concept of legal spend under management. Can you explain it a little bit more in detail?
Sure, Sylvia. Legal spend under management is a framework that we use to help clients define a level of control to apply to a particular spend management strategy. We refine this idea from a similar concept in the procurement world, so it might be familiar to some of your legal procurement professionals. We think about legal spend under management in 5 stages, going from not managed to collaboratively managed. Not managed means you're not applying oversight to your spend. You're effectively doing nothing. Visible means that you've put some rigor into collecting and analyzing your data. You know what you're spending, you know which vendors you're using, you're tracking your billing in some way, either via an e-billing system or another spend management tool. These first 2 stages are really the foundational steps that a legal procurement organization must take before they can start managing their spend. You really can't measure, or you can't manage rather, what you can't measure.
Peter, this sounds a lot like a maturity model. Is it a maturity model? And should a legal procurement professional's goal actually be to drive all spend to be collaboratively managed?
I think it's a good point, and I'd say that certainly the first step, moving to data visibility, is necessary for all organizations. You need good, clean, accurate data before you can start to make determinations on how to control that spend. When we start looking at other forms of management, it's important to note that applying more control will increase the cost and effort, so the benefits of each initiative need to be weighed. So I guess to answer your question, no, the goal should not be to drive all spend to collaboratively managed. Rather, you should consider your goals and define that level of management, either passive or active or collaborative, that will help you deliver that maximum benefit. By communicating this approach with your stakeholders, you can better align them on savings expectations, project timings, and gain buy-in to your objectives.
Well, thank you for the explanation. If you want to learn more about legal spend management concepts, please download the primer at buyinglegal.com/LSM. Thank you for listening today.